आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आज ये वीडियो मैसेज है रिगार्डिंग व्हाट प्रिकॉशंस वी शुड टेक while filing the GST return for the month of October 2023. As you all know that financial year 2023 has already been completed and it's almost 7 months to that completion. And as far as GST is concerned, we can say that October month GST return is the last month in which you can make any amendments or you can claim your ITC for the year 2023, as the time limit to avail any ITC related to financial year 22-23 is 30th November 2023. तो 30 नवंबर 2023 तक जो भी रिटर्न आप जीएसटी की सबमिट करेंगे, यू कैन टेक आईटीसी रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंशियल ईयर 22-23 जो साल अब हमारा बीत चुका है, उसका आईटीसी आप एट द मोस्ट 30 नवंबर 2023 तक क्लेम कर सकते हैं। तो अगर हम मंथली फाइलर की बात करें तो उनके लिए कहीं ना कहीं अक्टूबर 23 की रिटर्न जो होगी वो लास्ट रिटर्न होगी टू क्लेम दैट आईटीसी। सो आज की डेट में अगर अभी तक नहीं बना है देन यू मस्ट रिकनसाइल ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शन्स as far as ITC is concerned. ITC means input tax credit. As far as ITC is concerned, all the reconciliation should be made. Reconciliation should be made between GSTR 3B, GSTR 2B and your books of account. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि GSTR 2B मैंडेटरी है टू बी फॉलोड 1 जनवरी 2022 से। उसके बाद से अगर GSTR 2B में कोई आपका इनपुट क्रेडिट नहीं आ रहा है तो आप उस क्रेडिट को क्लेम करने के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हैं। GSTR 2B में आपके सभी तरह के क्रेडिट आते हैं, वेदर इट इज़ एलिजिबल और नॉट एलिजिबल। तो दिस यू हैव टू चेक कि वेदर इट इज़ एलिजिबल फॉर यू और नॉट। तो आपको चेक करना है कि जितना क्रेडिट आपके GSTR 2B में आ रहा था एंड कितना आपने GSTR 3B में क्लेम किया एंड आपकी बुक्स में क्या क्रेडिट है। ऑल दीज थ्री शुड बी रिकनसाइल्ड विथ ईच अदर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली इफ एनी ITC इज लेफ्ट आउट रिलेटेड टू फाइनेंशियल ईयर 22-23 then this is the last chance that you can take those eligible ITC in your upcoming return, which would be for the month of October. In case if you have not filed any of the return, let's say from the month of rather you can say May, June, July, anyone, you must file those returns on or before 30th November and you can claim those left out ITC in those returns also. This 30th November date is to claim the ITC. Return can be of any month. At the most, it can be of October month. This is for the monthly filer. If we talk about the quarterly filer, then September month return was the last opportunity for them to claim the returns. Sorry, to claim the ITC. And now let's talk about the sales supply side, outward supply side. Outward supply, for outward supply also, this 30th November is the last date to make any amendments. But let's talk it in a broader sense. सेल आपकी कभी भी छुटी हुई हो, डिपार्टमेंट विल एक्सेप्ट दो सेल्स एंड टेक द GST फ्रॉम यू. दे विल नेवर डिनाई टू कलेक्ट द GST. Okay, we are talking about for B2B sales specially. If any B2B sales is left out related to 22-23, then if after 30th November you are incorporating those sales or you are amending those sales or credit note or anything in your GSTR 1, then the tax credit will not be allowed to your customer. So that can raise a dispute between you and your customer. So especially in case of any B2B supply, then it must be amended up to in the return filed up to 30th November 2023. So this is the last opportunity to make the amendments, to make the corrections, to claim the ITC. Although B2C sale hai, none of your customer is bothered because they are not getting ITC, then you can do those corrections in any of the subsequent month also. But for the ITC claim, 30th November is the last date. After that, all your ITC related to 22-23, that will be time barred and you won't be allowed to take those ITC again. And same with the outward supply. In case of any B2B supply, you won't be able to incorporate those amendments in GSTR 1 and in that manner your customer will not be able to take the ITC. So please take care of it and file your return properly. Thank you.